Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you Hamster Kombat daily cipher code for 13 July. So the first step you need to follow is to open your Telegram. So once you open your Telegram, you simply need to click on Hamster Kombat, okay, and you simply need to click on play. So once you are here, it will start loading. So you need to wait for a few seconds here, okay. So once it is open, so okay, click on daily cipher. And once you click on that, here you can see, so you need to follow the code. So I will mention that code in the pin comment also. So first step, you need to click on hold for a few seconds and it will be a dash. Then you need to click on 3 times to get the B here, and the same process you need to follow to add the complete code here, and after that your 1 million will be added. So I want to do it later, so that's why I not mentioned here, but you can find a complete code in the pinned comment section. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.